Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's topic is about AI taking over human jobs. With advancement in technology, the rise of automation and increasing demand for efficiency, there are more concern about artificial intelligence replacing human workers. But is this a reality? Let's explore this topic more in detail. First, let's look at the fact that it's true that AI is already started to take over some jobs, especially those are repetitive and require low level skills. For example, jobs in manufacturing, customer service, and data entry are already being automated, with AI system performing these tasks faster and more accurately than humans. But it is also important to note that AI is not capable of performing all types of job. There are certain jobs that requires creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and human interaction, which cannot be replaced by machines. These jobs includes teaching, nursing, counseling, and other professions that requires high level of human empathy and understanding. Moreover, the deployment of AI in workplace has also led creation of new jobs. As AI become more prevalent in workforce, there will be growing demands for workers who can develop, manage and maintain these systems. This means that there will be increasing need for skilled workforce in the field such as software engineering, data science and machine learning. Finally, it's important to recognize that AI and humans can work together to achieve greater productivity and efficiency. Rather than seeing AI as a threat, we can view it as a tool that can enhance human capabilities and help us to achieve more in less time. In conclusion, while it's truth that AI is taking over some human jobs, it's not the whole truth. AI cannot replace all human jobs, and it also has a potential to create new job roles. So instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it and focus on how we can alongside it to achieve a greater success. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you next time. Bye.